Hi everybody, welcome to another Kids Craft. Today we're going to be making our own musical instrument. We are going to be making maracas from a plastic egg. So first of all, obviously, you are going to need a plastic egg. Make sure it's the kind that does open. You are going to need 2 spoons, preferably the plastic disposable spoons. You're going to need some washi tape. And you're going to need something dry. We're going to use rice in this demonstration. You can use beans or beads or something like that, something dry that makes a nice rattling noise. Now, if you do want to make a pair, get 1 more egg and 2 more spoons. I'm just going to make 1, so if you want to make 2, just repeat the process. To start, you want to open your egg. You're going to want to take your rice or whatever it is you're going to use to make your noise and fill 1 part of the egg. You want to do this over some paper or bowl or something, just so it might make a little bit of a mess. Don't fill it all the way. Start with just a little bit. Close up your egg. Give it a shake, see if you like the sound it makes. I think that sounds pretty good. Yeah. If you don't like the sound, open it up. Put some more rice in or take some more out, that's up to you. Just add or subtract until you get a sound that you like. And once you have that, close your egg up nice and tight and set that aside. Next, you're going to need your washi tape and your spoons. Start with your spoons and put them so that the scoop ends are facing each other like this. Okay, want to make sure they're lined up. Then take your tape and just wrap it around the handle. So start at the top. Just wrap it all the way around so that your spoons stay together. If you have multiple colors of washi tape, you can make a design. Just make it a little more pretty. There we go. There like so. Right, and there we go. Next, you'll take your spoons and your egg. Just carefully pull these apart just a little bit and put the egg between the spoons like that so it holds it nice and tight. It already has a nice little rattle to it, but take more of your washi tape and secure the egg to the spoons. You probably want to put a bit of tape around the seam here just to make sure that your egg will not come apart. And just wrap that around a couple times and however you like. You can, like I said, get some more washi tape, add some patterns, or you can get some stickers and decorate it that way. I think I'm going to get another pattern real quick. Be right back. All right, and there we have it. And again, if you want to make a pair, just get a second egg and 2 more spoons. And there you have a very simple pair of maracas. Thank you for joining us for this month's Kids Craft, and we will see you next time.